Like, get off of my eyelid. Like, bro, what? Excuse me?
Church like it did 10.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have no makeup on because I'm gonna be transforming myself into an e-girl like I put in the title of the video. That was ugly. So all the products I will be using in this video will be in the description down below, just in case you guys are wondering. So let's get right into the video. So I'm about to just put my primer on. Also, if you guys see me like looking over here, it's because I have a mirror right in front of me. Also, if you guys see my skin kind of peeling, it's because a few days ago I used like a retinol moisturizer, so it kind of like made my skin peel, which is nasty. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer and my dirty beauty blender. Okay, to be honest, these lights are actually really bright and I could like barely see. So yeah, if something looks weird, actually this whole video is gonna be weird, but if something looks like I didn't blend it well, it's probably just because I can't see, but you know, it's cool. It's okay. Like I figured like for the parts that I'm not gonna be actually talking, I should at least do a voiceover, so yeah. Bro, this is actually like super bright, like hold up. I cannot do my eyebrows on camera, I just can't see, so I'll be right back. Then I'm about to just bake my face. Actually, honestly, I don't need to because I'm not actually gonna be having this makeup on for hours. But notice how I didn't like put too much setting powder on because I don't want my face to be looking white afterwards. I suggest y'all take my advice. Then I'm gonna go in with this. It's the Delanci Heartquake palette. If you look closely, you can see where it's peeling and it's actually disgusting. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This one where my finger is, where the brush is, that one. This time I'm using like a stippling motion instead of like a swiping motion because with cheaper products, like if you want the pigment to show up, you need to like pat it on instead of swiping it on and like getting rid of the product. I hope that makes sense. Then I'm gonna go in with the brightest pink. I guess like deepest pink, whatever. I was low-key going for like an ombre look, but I don't think you can really tell because all the colors kind of look the same. But I mean, you know, it's whatever. And if you guys couldn't tell, I'm actually like patting the eyeshadow on because that helps the color pop more instead of like swiping it on because like you're losing pigment. Like, bro, can y'all see that? Like, hold up. I need to get some better eyeshadow. This is atrocious. What is that? Like, get off of my eyelid. Like, bro, what? Excuse me? Not gonna lie, like I had to sit there for a good like 10 minutes blending, but instead of boring you guys with that, I just decided to kind of speed it up and edit most of it out because I mean at the end of the day, like you guys know how to put makeup on, right? Right. Then I'm going to do the same thing with like all the like oranges and reds. So I'm gonna go in with the same color I use on the other eye right here. This is literally just the same thing but with just different colors, so I figured like I'm not gonna include as many clips because it's the same thing. Last but not least, this red. This red color payoff is so much better than the pink, bro. Like literally it's already done. Like it's already done. Then I'm just gonna go in with the same colors for my under eye because by same colors, I really just meant like the red and like the brightest pink I used because that might be a little confusing. So I figured I just clear that up for you guys. Like looking for like if you like are darker skin like me and you want your eyeshadow to pop more, use a like white or like a very light colored concealer on your eyelids because it'll make it pop more because like it's a brighter base. Like I didn't do that today because I'm not really trying to make my colors pop that much. Like, and then for inner corner, I'm finna go in with this dirty but like white-ish color. So then I'm just finna go in with this e.l.f. jet black liquid eyeliner because a lot of them use like eyeliner to get like thick wings. Honestly, I should use some tape. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh boy. I'm very much aware that this looks like a big mess on camera, but trust me, like, y'all will see the eyeliner. It looks good, okay? Pretty sure these wings are not even, but it's too late. And then, of course, before you put on the lashes, gotta put on the mascara. Y'all might think it's dumb to put on mascara before I put on lashes, but I only did that because it helps blend the lashes into my natural lashes better, because like black mixed with black, it's harder to tell like which one's your actual lashes. So now I'm just gonna dust off my powder. And because I don't have that much setting spray left, I'm about to just spray my face with water, to be honest. And then of course you gotta comb those eyebrows into place. By the way, this is just clear mascara because I don't have real eyebrow gel. So in a lot of the pictures I saw, they actually had like blush and stuff under their like eyes, but it's like a lot, like you'll see. I'm gonna just use this random brush. I don't know. This would definitely work a lot better if I used a different brush, but I mean, it is what it is. And like, I don't think it's supposed to be like blush. I think it's supposed to be more like aesthetic blush, if that makes sense. No, it doesn't. All right, that's about as natural as it gets. Like, a lot of them, like, they do like freckles or like hearts. So I'm about to do hearts, and then I'm gonna try freckles. I really hope the freckles don't ruin the look. I might honestly just not even do the freckles. Not even gonna cap, not even gonna lie. Oh, I think I just ruined my makeup look. Oh boy, excuse me, I'll be right back. I fixed it, I got it. Now I'm gonna just pop on some highlight. If you guys are actually like recreating this look, you can just skip the highlighter step like on the sides of your face, because it kind of just ruined the whole blush thing, but like it looked good on my nose. Oh, that don't look too good. That don't look too good. You see that? You see how it's like, it ain't no pink no more. It's like nasty looking, you know what I'm saying? But you know what? It's okay, because we can work with this. We can work with this. All right, and the moment y'all been waiting for, I'm just kidding. No one's waiting for this. But just gonna pop on some lashes. All right. Ah, it's stuck to my finger. Basically, this is just like a bunch of clips of me attempting to put the lashes on. I actually don't have tweezers, so I had to use my fingers. But like, I was able to do it off of camera, so yeah. Alright, so the glue is still drying, but the makeup look is complete. Now with the lashes on, it kind of just looks like I accidentally used the wrong eyeshadow. Like, it doesn't look like I intentionally did like pink and then red. So, does it? I mean, I guess I'll find out. Oh wait, I have to style my hair. I'll do that after I get the clothes on though. Alright, so this is like my most... I don't really have any like grungy looking clothes or whatever. I mean, I guess anything can be grungy if you piece it together well, but I don't have anything to piece it together with. Like I have like a white shirt, but like it looked stupid when I put it on, so yeah. Now we're just going to do the hair. So the black and white scrunchies ended up looking stupid, as y'all will see later. But I just ended up using these other hair ties, and they looked a lot better, and they went with my outfit and like makeup look a lot better. So all right, so I look like an actual dummy, so I'm just I'm not gonna use scrunchies. These like these little like hair coil things, because they're pink, and I figured like my look is like pink mostly with a failed attempt at a red eye, so it might look good. Actually, I don't know. Unfortunately, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. So yeah, I look like an actual clown, but let me just pose for y'all. don't like the hair. The hair, I know the style that I'm going for in my brain, but I didn't do it well. So I feel like the hair, like I feel like everything else, like it looks weird, but like it kind of goes, but then like the hair is just like, ugh, like ugh. Whatever. Why do I look like a dummy? I look like a clown. The hair, it's ruining everything, but like I'm not, no, I don't know what else to do, so like I'm gonna just leave it. Alright, so yeah, that was it for the video. Like I said, everything I use will be linked in the description. I mean, not linked, it'll just be in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Bye!